Guys, are you awake?
Yeah. I'm awake.
Did you hear that noise downstairs?
Yeah.
No, it's coming from like the other bedrooms. Like, it's coming from my bedroom. Okay. Can we go and investigate?
Yeah, what's that on it?
No, Caden, stay. It's so dark. So, what time is it? It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. Guys, oh my god.
Why did you wake me up?
Guys, the light switches aren't working. Guys, the light switches ain't working. Guys, look.
Oh, no.
Guys.
Wait.
Oi! The noise is coming from there.
Okay.
Caden. Is there anything there? There's nothing there. I think we should just go back to sleep, right, guys?
Touch the elbow.
Yeah, guys, come on.
Me up.
Right, Caden, close the door, yeah? Right, someone close the door behind them. Last person.
I'll keep on my bed. I'll go into the bed.
Close the door. Last person has to close the door. All the way. There goes. Can you stop moving around? Link, are you coming up?
Yeah. No, I'm not.
Okay, night. Night.
Mama.
What was that? Again.
Ow.
I can't handle this. It's been an hour later. Wake up, brother.
Oh.
Wake up, man. More noises, man.
It's only 4 o'clock and we woke up at 3 o'clock.
Oh. What was that? Guys, I think it's just a bad dream. Like,
It was just a bag.
luckily the sunshine's decided to come in.
Yeah.
Because I really need some sleep, guys. Night, guys.
Oh my god!
5 o'clock. Do we?
We've done this since 3 o'clock. Let's open the window.
Yeah, just.
May not be so scary though.
Guys, what was that? What was that?
Nikki, don't open it like that.
Oh, hell no! Something's here, guys. What the hell? Where's it? Oh, good morning, Mum.